If you know about entrepreneurs, you've probably noticed that most of them have more than one way to make money. It's not easy to be an entrepreneur, and income sources dry up all the time. Entrepreneurs can make sure that money keeps coming in by getting it from more than one source. Today, we will discuss the 5 big ideas to create multiple sources of income. But before we start our countdown, please subscribe to our channel PureFinancial and press the bell icon. Number 5. Interest income. When you lend your money to someone else, you make interest income. For example, if you have a savings account, the bank will pay you interest on the money you have saved. Or if you buy bonds, the company that made the bonds will send you interest payments. Interest income is a great way to make passive income because you don't have to do anything to make money. Number 4. Royalties. Royalties are payments you get for the use of your intellectual property, such as patents, copyrights, and trademarks. For example, if you come up with a new kind of widget, you can sell the patent to a company and get royalties every time they use your idea. Or if you write a book, you can sell the copyright to a publisher and get paid royalties every time the book is sold. Royalties are a great way to make money without doing any work. Number 3. Earned income. Earned income is the money you get from working. It's the most common and well-known way to make money, but it's also the least passive. You have to work more hours if you want to make more money. You can't get around it, but there are ways to put the money you earn to work for you. One way would be to put money into a business. If you own your own business, you might be able to make a lot more money than if you worked for someone else. You can also put your earned money to work for you by investing it in things that bring in money on their own. Number 2. Rental income. The only thing you have to do to get rental income is collect the rent checks. You'll have to do some work at the beginning to find tenants and manage the property, but once that's done, the money will start coming in. Rental income is a great way to build wealth because it's easy to get and take care of properties, and the returns can be very high. Number 1. Dividend income. When a company makes money, it can choose to put that money back into the business or pay dividends to its shareholders. Dividends are usually paid every 3 months, and you have to pay taxes on them at your highest tax rate. The more dividend-paying investments you buy, the more money you can make. It's the best way to make money without doing anything besides reinvesting the dividends you get. So that's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel PureFinancial. Press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.